Okay, so if you come to this website and you click your country of residence, you would see every single country used here. And once you do that, you click on the sign up process, you're going to start making money online by doing simple tasks. And this one is really helpful and really great. So the site we're talking about today is called Clickworker, your virtual workforce on demand. And it's so clear here that it says it's available worldwide, right? So as a click worker, you would work independently and completely according to your own schedule, which is great. There are no hidden costs or fees, and all you need is just a computer with an internet connection. No formal qualifications are necessary. You receive payment once you've earned $10 and your balance never expires. Sounds very promising, isn't it? And they also say that we take your online security seriously and never give your information to a third party. So amazing. And what else do you need when it's available worldwide? And what else do you need when you have the application available on the Android Play Store and the Apple iStore? So it's great. There's a lot of information here, a lot of FAQs, and please go through this entire website before you sign up. And if you want to get into details, they have everything provided, right? So this is what Clickworker looks like, and you will get money by signing up to this website and doing tasks online. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on sign up, and that's it. You would probably need to verify an email that comes to your email address, and you might need to click on a link and go ahead. But this is how Clickworker is, and if you come down, you could see you got some really creative ways. Right now, this is what I like about this website. It says that the types of jobs here, right? You can get a brief overview of the various types of jobs. So number one, you've got text creation. So create informative texts, product descriptions, or articles about a given topic. Now there are topics that are available on this website, and all you need to do is go ahead and choose a particular niche which you are probably good at, or which you could get knowledge from somewhere, from the internet itself, and go ahead and create text and articles about a particular topic. Okay, another one is categorization, where you categorize the data of websites. Right now, I am not sure about this, so I really don't know how this works. I'm being really honest here, and that's what this channel is all about. So I have no idea how that works, but you could go ahead and click more on categorization and you could get to know what that is. So apart from that, we've got copy editing, where you see copy editors check corrected text with regard to content, style, and the exact implementation of the job instructions. So this is what copy editing is all about. Right now is basically you go ahead and correct grammatical errors, or punctuation marks, stuff like that. Okay, and there was going to be a bunch of text that you get to do this. Okay, now you come down and you've got proofreading. So proofreaders, now they assess the text created with regard to spelling, grammar, style. Okay, so I'm assuming the one what I said for copy editing, I think the same thing applies right here for proofreading, right? And that's all you need to just check, your style, your grammar, your spelling, stuff like that. And copy editors, they check corrected text with regard to content. Great. Okay, so this is more of checking facts and stuff. All right, so you get the idea, right? Go ahead and click on more about research, more about proofreading, and you have everything. Okay, all on the table. They have all the details about it. Now research, search for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities in the web. This is a pretty interesting job, a pretty interesting task that Clickworker offers, because you're going to go ahead and search for companies, new companies that are possibly started in a particular area, and you're going to give some research and you're going to collect data, like what the company is famous for, or what are their primary objectives and stuff like that. Okay, very interesting job. And again, we have surveys, but I don't think it's a good idea to venture into this. So I think you could go ahead with the rest. But of course, this is a very legit website. So if you get the opportunity, please go ahead and do it. But what I really like is the variety of tasks. Okay, now here you've got something called as a mystery visit. Okay, so for weekly shopping, you visit nearby stores, you take pictures of products and upload them on Clickworker, and they pay you for that. right? So if you have a shopping mart in your area, now they have all these lists of these places available on the website itself, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, app testing, again, it's another beautiful way, and we've seen a lot of app testing videos and website testing videos in this channel. So app testing, I think you know how that works. Now, photo capturing. Now, this is something really good. This is something where we all could make money, because we all keep clicking photographs every day, something or the other, right? Now, some of us might like to take some pictures in our kitchen with our fruits, with our vegetables. Some of us are into landscape photography or street photography, taking pictures of your pets, your animals. Now, that's all you needed, right? Go ahead, take some pictures. They like it, you're going to get paid for that. Okay, audio recording. Now, whether at home or on the go, record short audio clips on your smartphone. Okay, so go ahead and click this and you would get another deeper understanding of how these things work. Video recording. Show us your skills by making short videos. Grab your cell phone and get filming. If you're good at reading something, or if you're good at playing an instrument, or if you're good at talking or doing something, go ahead and you can just try video recording. Okay, now this is how it works. You sign up a Clickworker, you fill out your user profile, blah 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 blah, and you know how all these things are. I don't need to go ahead and waste your time on all this, but you get paid on a weekly or monthly basis, which is great. Opt for the weekly salary, so you could see some money coming in. That would encourage you to work more. Okay, now your benefits at a glance. Easy start with assessments. Good quality work ensures an increase in earnings. Work from home whenever you have time, and you don't have to worry about customer acquisition. We take care of the distribution of the jobs for you. So basically, you just need to claim the jobs that's there on this portal and go ahead and do it. It's that easy. It's that simple. Don't waste your time. Go ahead and sign up for it right now. Okay. Now, you don't have to write invoices either. We take care of the entire process, including the payment. How great is that? Okay. Now, what you need is a weekly or monthly payment via SEPA or PayPal, right? And that is really important. So PayPal is pretty common, but I'm not sure about the transfer rate in SEPA. But you could go ahead and sign up for any one of these things, and both are free. So 24/7 support from our Clickworker community, which is also impressive and amazing, right? Now, you've got the app as well, so you could download the app. Now look at the website, it's so good. These are all the testimonials, the reviews and stuff like that. Now, if you have further questions, you can become a part of the community by following them on social media. So click on this button and sign up immediately. It's available worldwide. Don't waste your time. Okay, now time for the reviews. So if you check out the reviews now, they say that Clickworker also has payment methods to Payoneer, but I recommend PayPal because it's more universal. And so Payoneer is recommended. They say it's recommended payment method and is available for all countries except the USA and California. So I don't know why Payoneer is not recommended for that particular region, but well, you have PayPal, so why do you need to worry? And Payoneer and PayPal users are paid once a week between Wednesday and Friday, so that encourages you to keep working. Once you receive your payment on Wednesday or Friday, you get paid. Right? And bank account users twice a month, on the 1st to 3rd and on the 15th to 17th of the month. Great. Come down here and you see there's a question, does Clickworker actually pay? And it says that you have an English language writing assessment, which you will gain access to assignments and allow Clickworkers to make about $8 per hour on average. Right, so all you need is probably an English language writing assessment, and you could go ahead and Google that as well and check the Clickworker assignment online, and it's pretty easy, right? So usually there is enough work available to work for at least 4 hours per day. Okay, so you don't have to you spend a lot of time, and I think this is really good. So just make sure you polish on your English language and writing assessment skills, and you could get help from Google if you really feel that you're not really good at it. Pardon the dogs that are barking at the background. I guess it's time for their food, so they're pretty hungry. But anyways, I better get going and feed them, and I hope this video is really helpful for you, and I hope all of you are staying safe. And until then, I would see you all in the next video. So Clickworker, everyone, and have a good day.